LA has a unique property of understanding music, sports, film, entertainment, and fashion. And those are the things that actually really bind the human spirit together.
Today, I would like to announce our 1,000 social token initiative. We really want to think of other artists, musicians, dancers. How can we really help them to engage with the fans directly? We keep thinking that NFT will be a great start for them to think about how to turn his community very engaged over different periods, if not eras of the time, so that fans become the promoters, ambassadors, so that asset become part of the community way of incentives, so that many of the events, NFT is just a way to say that I am your early supporter. I'm also your fans. I'm also part of the community. Social token is just a start, not just for the token, but turning the community into DAOs. DAO means that not only they are participating, not only that they have also a shared goal and a shared value, but they also going to do the governance together.
Obviously, NFT is a fairly recent phenomenon in the past 14 months, and not that many wallets out there have native NFT support. And when I say native support, I don't mean just showcasing the image. I'm talking about accentuating all the metadata, all the composability of NFT, and also maybe even, call it crazy, maybe be able to directly connect with the artists behind the NFT work directly within your wallet.
NFTs are universal. The English language is not. I think that there's so many talented artists in South America and Asia and Europe and beyond that don't have a voice, don't have a platform, don't have the same social medias, don't have the same way of life / way of adoption of these things that we utilize. And so accessibility, diversity, inclusion is such a necessity for this. And I think that's where the communication and messaging needs to be that this is open for anyone. This can change anyone's lives, you know?
Hey guys, welcome to Harmony's One Pitch. Think Shark Tank, but this is not an investment. We're just giving out grants. And all you have to do is come up. We'll give you a microphone. You have 2 minutes.
The whole mission that we are trying to do is to make the world a greener and more compassionate place for the next generation to come, one NFT and one token at a time.
Thank you. Really
$5,500.
Thank you so much. Really appreciate it. See that, y'all? Dreams can happen.
So Harmony sponsored this 8 meetup. It is a very strong community. We're bonding two communities together.
Talk to him nice, 18-year-old Abe.
In fact, there's three main ways you can thrive in the Web3 space. As an artist, as a collector, and as a service provider. And service providers could be coders, they could be developers, but they can also be accountants. They can be nutritionists. They can be spoken word artists. They can be anyone who provides some type of service to help support your brand and project. And so education is key to onboarding others into the space, debunking those myths, those stereotypes, whatever is keeping your friend, your community member, your colleague from giving themselves permission to pivot, finding relevance in how they can find their place in the metaverse.
Humanity needs new agreements. After 2020 in particular, we're new people. And one of the new agreements for the future is that artists will not starve, artists will be successful, and they will design the future, a future that we can all get behind, and a future that we can all feel happy about living in. And so humanity needs new agreements. One of those agreements is prosperity, abundance, and wellness for all of us, especially those that are most creative among us, right? Because if you can't see it, you can't be it. And the only person who can help us see are the creatives, are the artists.
If there's only one word you remember from this, hopefully, conversation is one wallet is social. And what that means is we have built for the first time within a crypto wallet, a non-custodial crypto wallet, a wallet-to-wallet chat. Sending a token should be as easy and as fast as sending a text message. So social means just that. And it's not just about a one-to-one communication. Let's say all of us here in this audience, we create a group. And maybe there's an artist that we all want to support in the audience. We can easily create a group. And by connecting our wallet together, we can send funds directly to that artist, or maybe buy that NFT as a group as opposed to an individual. So social has a much greater implication. And it turns out after 30 plus years, social is still the killer app.
We are a community-first, cultural-driven project that I want you to be part of, that you will be building the culture with us together. Many of the team, but also the DAOs, come to us because we have been very inclusive of the culture. Why it will be always the community coming with the ideas being part of. So come join us. We'll be all part of it. Thank you, everyone.